Well, hello, my students. Video number 2. This one should be shorter. Now I have to apologize to my 8th graders. I left class realizing I spelled the word dimensions wrong. Oh my goodness, how can I do that? Dimensions is D-I-M. So sorry about that. I hope you'll forgive me. Now, a dimension is how big a matrix is. Now, I kept the matrices pretty small for the video, but you go by rows and then columns. Rows is across, columns is up and down. Or mathematically, you'd say horizontally and vertically. Rows are horizontal, columns are vertical. So the matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. B would be a 2 by 1 matrix. C is a 2 by 2. And D is a 2 by 1. That is a horrible D. So if I said add matrices, the first thing we have to do is to see, are they the same dimension? If they're not, we cannot add them. So 2 by 2, 2 by 1, I cannot add A to B. So you'd say, can't do it, cannot do it. Now A to C, they're both 2 by 2. So you just add the term in the same location. So this is 1, 1, row 1, column 1, row 1, column 1. So you just combine it. So 3 and 4 is 7. 1 and 2 is 3. 0 and 5 is 5. And 2 and 1 is 3. So right now, see if you can figure out how to do B plus D and B minus D. I think you can do it. And then turn me back on. Okay, B plus D. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3. Oh my, we got it. B minus D, 1 minus 6 is negative 5. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we have something called scalar. S-C-A-L-E-R. It's when you're multiplying a number to the matrix. So if I said 3A, here's matrix A. What it means is just multiply every term by 3. There's really not a whole lot to it. So we would have 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we have 0 and 6. I wrote that too close. Just multiplied every term by 3. So if I said what's negative 4b, negative 4b, what would that be? Figure it out right now. Okay, so I would have negative 4, negative 12. Should have wrote that better. Should have wrote this better. Now, so if I have several terms involved, 2a minus 5c, what I would do is take a, multiply everything by 2. So that'd be 6204. Now I like to take the matrix and multiply it by negative if I got a negative to work with and change it to plus. So I have a stupid bug that is flying around me. So anyways, I'd have negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. 5 times, what did I say? I don't know. 5. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. And negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. And then I'm just going to combine the matrices. 6 plus negative 20 is negative 14. 0 plus negative 10 is negative 10. 2 and negative 25 is negative 23. 4 and negative 5 is negative uno. And I was writing that off the page. Sorry about that. So right now, what would 4b plus 2d end up being if there's b and d? So what is 4b plus 2d if there's b and d? So 4b multiply b by 4 be 412. 2d would be 12 O. So it'd be 1612. Is that what you got? I hope it is. Hey, have a marvelous Sunday knowing you don't have school Thursday. Bye-bye.